but the local data is lacking. Therefore, we aim to evaluate the predictive value of early heart rate variability after acute MI for short-term clinical outcomes and life-threatening cardiac arrhythmias. So it was a prospective observational study conducted at PIMS Hospital, Islamabad. We had 120 patients, which included both STEMI and unSTEMI. The mean age of our population was 58 years old, and 78% of our study population were male. We performed 24-hour Holter monitoring within 72 hours of hospital admission. So the various heart rate variable parameters were defined, which included SDNN, RMSS, and LF to HF ratio. We followed them up for 30 days and we evaluated them for MACE, which included ventricular tachycardia, reinfarction, new onset heart failure, and cardiac death. So 34 out of our 120 patients, which is 28.3% of our cohort, developed MACE. Sustained ventricular arrhythmias were observed in 14 patients and sudden cardiac death was evident in 6 patients. So this is a graphical representation. So a mean SDNN in MACE group was 58.4 and mean SDNN in non-MACE group was 91.2, which was significantly higher with the significance value of 0.001. Also, LF to HF ratio was lower in MACE group, 0.9 versus 1.7. As SDNN is a marker of overall autonomic function, so its result showed significance. So this is the comparison between MACE and non-MACE patients. So secondly, we performed regressional analysis and we identified SDNN less than 70 millisecond as an independent predictor of MACE with an odd ratio of 3.6, which shows that there's 3.6% more chance of these patients developing MACE as compared to the rest of the population. So therefore, in conclusion, early heart rate variability, special SDNN predicts short-term clinical outcomes after MI. Reduced heart rate variability is linked to several life-threatening arrhythmias and MACE. And with our study, we suggest that we use HRV in early risk stratification and clinical decision-making post-MI. However, we need larger cohort and to incorporate into standard risk stratification model.